How are my zebras today? I got new glasses. Like them? I think I look sophisticated. But welcome back to day 8 of the 30-day Mukbang challenge. I'm just sitting down to lunch and we're having some mac and cheese. Y'all know I love some mac and cheese, okay? We got napkins today. We got pop. We're prepared today. We are prepared. So anyway, I just woke up. Probably at like 11:45 I woke up. It's currently almost 2, I think. I don't even know. But I woke up. Went and got my glasses. Went and got my prescription for my allergy medicine. So hungry. Came home and was like, you know what? I'm making some mac and cheese. So that's what I did. Anyway, I just want to say a quick thank you to all of my subscribers. Whether you be old or new. I really, really do appreciate you guys. And you guys have really helped me get through the past month, I'd say. Maybe even 2. So thank you for all of the encouraging words and support. If you're new to my channel, just recently subscribed, you just got your stripes. Woo! I'm in a really good mood today. Yesterday was my second day at the new job. I go in tonight for midnight. And I'm really liking it, guys. I don't know why I never got into direct care before. But I'm really loving it. This mac and cheese is from Aldi. So good. Just as good as the Velveeta and shells, I think. If not better. These are so cheesy, so good. But what are you guys up to today? Any big plans? Anything going on? Tell me about it. I'd like to know. You guys do not understand how happy I am to have my new glasses. I had to get a little bit of a stronger prescription this time. My eyes have gotten worse because I wasn't wearing my glasses that I had before, just because they were just like, I couldn't really see. It didn't really help, so I just didn't wear them. So I'm so happy that I got these ones because they look better, they fit better, and I just love them. It's hot as balls again here today. Michigan, or, you know, country, you need to get it together with this weather because we've had enough of it. It was so nice, like 2 days ago. It was so nice outside. And then here comes this heat again. 90 damn degrees. Feels like 100. You know, that kind of air when you walk outside and it like takes your breath away. I don't like that shit. I was catching up on some videos, watching some videos last night on TV. So like I said before, if you don't see me in your comments, doesn't mean I didn't watch it. I do give everybody a thumbs up though. My God. I could eat like macaroni and cheese every day. Every day. Macaroni and cheese and chicken, I could literally eat every day. So good. Sometimes I spruce it up a little. Like I'll put a little bit of taco seasoning, mix it in with like a little bit of sour cream. Like a taco mac. Oh my God, it's so good. But today I just wanted plain Jane mac and cheese. So good. So good. Dogs, they want food. Ronnie went to go get them some. Because we ran out. And they had their last bowl last night. Mac and cheese is like my go-to comfort food. That's so good. I feel like there was something that I wanted to tell you guys, and I can't remember what it was. I can't remember. I have no idea. No idea. Ronnie's about to walk in at any minute. Make it a little chaotic for a second. I'm getting full, guys. Mac and cheese is that type of food that stick to you, you know? And I like my noodles well done. Some people like them with a little bite. I like them well done. Anytime I make noodles, I like them well done. Like super soft. Alright, I think I'm done. One more bite. One more bite. I'm stuffed. I'll just put this in a container for later. But I cannot eat no more. I'm full. So with that being said, thank you for joining me on this journey. Day 8. I will see you tomorrow for day 9. You guys keep your stripes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.